Let's get you some weather information now as we head toward the weekend. Temperatures in the upper 40s and lower 50s. Ann Arbor decided they didn't want to go out in the rain. This must be something wrong with equipment there. 52 in Monroe and in Adrian, 51 in Mount Clemens and Troy, 50 in Detroit. There are some upper 40s. Port Huron, Lapeer, and Pontiac all in the upper 40s right now. The wind is an issue, but so is the rain. It's still coming down. It'll be with us, I think, through about 8 o'clock. The wind stays, though, through the nighttime hours, and it's still a breezy weekend, especially tomorrow. But the winds right now are pretty strong, gusting to 45 in Pontiac and Flint as well. I think especially north of Detroit, it's gusting to 40 in Port Sanilac. These areas will stay as strong as they are, maybe get a little stronger through the evening hours before it starts to kind of break, not completely, but start to wind down a little bit overnight. So for everybody involved here across southeast Michigan, we have the continuation of the wind advisory till midnight, 25 to 35 mile an hour winds and some gusts still to 45. Again, most of those now are northwest of Detroit than in the city to the south. And there's a lot of rain here. This is the north side. Here's I-69. North into the thumb, got showers going on. M59's got showers going on. Notice the flow is northwest to southeast, opposite of what it was yesterday because we are on the back side of the system with the change of the circulation there. I-94 is wet south of there, not quite so much, but that's going to be filling in probably in the next 45 minutes or so as we go along. So here's Futurecast. I think about 8 o'clock, most of this is starting to move out to the east. And then as we get along overnight, then the clouds start to follow as well. And that turns us into some decent sunshine, I think, to start the day tomorrow. Futurecast computer is saying, hey, 3 o'clock, we're still just perfectly clear. I don't think that's the case. I will have a few clouds build up and a few clouds, especially toward the evening hours, come in from the southwest. But as we go along, that's the next system here that's trying to skip by us. This is a shower chance up in the thumb Saturday night into Sunday morning. There's a cold front coming across the area Sunday afternoon. It's not a bad day on Sunday. It looks better than we've talked about the last couple of days, but there's a very slight chance for a shower or even a thunder shower, especially early in the thumb and then afternoon in the metro area. 48 tonight. The wind advisory goes until midnight, gust to 45. 40 for a low tonight, and then tomorrow we will go up to 61. It's nice and bright. But it is still pretty breezy, winds gusting up to 30 miles an hour. Look at lots of 70s Sunday, Monday, Wednesday as well.